Hey everyone, welcome. Allison here. So today I thought I would show you all how I make this rag wreath using everything from the Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I do it, then continue watching. I hope you guys like this video, so thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment on what you think about this wreath. Alright, we'll see you guys here in just a moment. Okay, so what you're going to need is some mesh. This is what I found at the dollar store. If you've not seen that video, I'll link it up there or down in the description. I got 4 of each of these, and I believe there's 5 yards in this one and then 3 in this one. I don't know how much of it I'll use, but I'll let y'all know. I don't know, probably somewhere right here, like how much I actually used. I've got 2 of the scarves. Again, I don't know if I'm going to use them both or not. And then I just got a variety of ribbon. Not sure what I'm going to use yet. I just pulled them out so that I'd have it. And then some pipe cleaners or Chanel stems, whatever y'all want to call it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get it going. We're going to be doing, if you noticed in the title, we're going to be doing a rag wreath. Oh yes, and you'll need a wreath. This is just, I believe this is the 6-inch wreath. I don't know. It doesn't have the tag no more. I've had it for so long. 6-inch or 9-inch? I don't know. Let's look. Well, it's 8.5, so it's an 8.5 inch wreath. Alright, so we're going to, let me just start showing you. I'm not going to worry about the ribbon right now. I'm just going to worry about the scarf, and it's going to be very simple. Like I said, all of this, everything that you see me use, come from the Dollar Tree. Although I've had these for so many years, I don't know exactly where they come from. Could have been Walmart, I don't know. Or the Dollar Tree, I don't know. Again, I don't know. It's been so long. I'm going to take about 1-inch strips. I wish I had my rotary cutter. I don't know where it's at. And make it a whole lot easier. I'm probably not in view. There you go. I'm just going to cut as best I can. I mean, you don't even want it to be perfect anyhow, because this, again, it's called a rag heart or wreath. Okay, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to just cut it. So that way I've got, let's see, so these equal out 7 inches by 1 inch. Let's see how close. This one's a little less than 7 inches. Alright, so I'm going to continue to do that. I'll just go ahead and fast forward so that it doesn't take forever. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so got one of them all cut up because I don't know if I'll need the second one or not. This is pretty small. So what we're going to do, now that we've got them cut in half, we're just going to focus on these two. I don't know if you can see these two. So the inner and then the middle. We're not going to do anything with the outer just yet. So we're going to take and we're going to put in through the one, okay, and then we're going to just tie it in a knot. You don't have to do a double knot. I just like to more secure, I think. So just like that, and then we'll do one in the middle. Now you can make this as full as you want or not as full. I'm just gonna work and see how full I want it, because I will be adding ribbon to this, and also some of the deco mesh. So I think maybe that's what I'll do, is instead of doing this, let me cut this up as well. I'm going to cut it at the same 1 inch. So let me do that. We'll open these up. I really love this one. And then of course I like that one too. Kind of got a candy cane look to it. Alright, so these ones though I'm going to cut at about 2 inches. Oops, and I'm completely out of view. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is rotate. So I got one of this piece of scarf there. And I'm going to take the deco mesh and this is a bit hard because when you cut it, it wants to unravel. And I'm going to tie it. Oops. Maybe. There we go. Alright. So and then of course I'll alternate it. Let's go with this one. I might not use that. That's kind of weird. I don't know. We'll see. Let's cut 2 inches from this one. And then we'll tie this. We'll see. I don't know. I don't think I'll do this quite a bit. I think that one you can't even tie twice. I don't know. I'll leave that. I'm going to work with these pieces because I'm not sure if I like that yet or not. So yeah. So I'll just do these and then I can see what I like once it's done. Alright, so I'm not gonna fast forward this part. Otherwise this video just takes forever. So I'll just come back once I've got it all on here, and then we'll decide if we're going to use this or not. Alright, so we'll see you in just a minute. Okay, so I've put it all around, and I've cut a bunch of ribbon like this. I saved a couple to show you how I did it. Cut them at 6.5 inches in length, and then I just take a couple at a time and then fold them, and then we're gonna just ducktail it. Just like that. And then do the other side. Like that. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do these. I was thinking about, I'll show you what I was thinking about doing, but I think I don't know. I might change my mind. I'm just winging it. I don't know what I'm going to do, to be all honest with you. Alright. I did cut a bunch of strips of this. It's just the red tool. And I just kind of randomly put it in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. I just put it in here random. And then I thought with these pieces, you know, I would just probably add to like these blank ones or something. I don't know. Like I said, I have no idea. But I cut a bunch of those out. So I'm thinking, yeah, that's right. I was going to show you what I was thinking about doing. So with this final loop, because we haven't worked anything in this, I was thinking about, you know, taking and putting it in like this, right? And then bunching it. But I think it's, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking it's just good the way it is. So I'm going to just kind of build like a little, I don't know, ribbon to put on it somewheres. So I'll take a couple of these. Let's see. I'll just do kind of a random bow, I guess. And then I'll add these kind of in between the layers. And that one don't need any. Alright, and then we'll add this. That's going to be pretty thick, but we'll do our best. Like that. Maybe I'll just add that in. Why not, right? And take one of these Chanel, and we'll just wrap it. just find the spot that you want to put it in. And I'm going to put it in the middle wire. So you see it's got this one down here, and then you got the middle one, and then that one. We're going to put it in the center one. Alright. Now we can adjust it. Fluff it, whatever you want to call it. And I've got my heat gun heating, so when that's ready, I'll come back and we'll add something right there, and then we'll put some of the jute so that we can hang it up. Alright, so I'll be back here in just a second. Okay, I've got this white one from Christmas, but it still works, it's still pretty, so I'm just gonna put it right there. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know if it really needs. I wanted to put something, hold on. Well, I don't know. I thought I had some little hearts, but I probably do somewhere, I just don't know where they're at. So, I don't know. Although you could hang it that way, that would be pretty. I don't know, the more I see that, the more I just don't like it, so let's just kind of fluff this up so you don't really see that. Alright, there we go. So, it's how you can make a rag DIY, you know, DIY, geez. Well, yeah, I guess DIY, but Dollar Tree. I mean, everything was from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, the wreath, and this was from leftover from Christmas that I had, that I had bought from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, this I wasn't sure, but I only used one piece of that. Everything else was tied on. So, alright, I'm gonna hang it up and take some pictures, and I'll post them at the end. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.